5 home remedies you can use to remove varicose veins in your legs. Varicose veins are a common problem in which abnormally enlarged veins appear close to the skin surface. They usually occur in the calves and thighs, when the veins develop weakened walls or poorly functioning valves, which regulate blood flow. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, varicose veins affect an estimated 25% of women and 10% of men. The condition can cause pain, fatigue, restlessness, and feelings of burning, throbbing, tingling, or heaviness in the legs. The appearance of bulging veins is also a concern for many people. Common factors contributing to varicose veins are heredity, occupations that require a lot of standing, obesity, use of birth control pills, constipation and hormonal changes in the body during pregnancy, puberty, and menopause. Medical and surgical treatments for varicose veins can be very expensive. You can try some home remedies to decrease the severity of varicose veins as well as reduce some of the discomfort they can cause. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a wonderful treatment for varicose veins. It is a natural body cleansing product and it also improves blood flow and circulation. When the blood starts flowing naturally, the heaviness and swelling of varicose veins will decrease to a great extent. 2. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is considered a miracle treatment for varicose veins. Being a very rich source of vitamin C and bioflavonoids, it increases blood circulation and eases the pain of congested, swollen veins. 3. Olive oil. Increasing blood circulation is essential to treating varicose veins. Massaging with olive oil can help increase circulation, thereby reducing pain and inflammation. 4. Garlic. Garlic is an excellent herb for reducing inflammation and the symptoms of varicose veins. It also helps break up harmful toxins in the blood vessels and improve circulation. 5. Butcher's broom. Butcher's broom is very helpful for relieving the aches and discomfort of varicose veins. This herb contains compounds known as riscogenins that help reduce inflammation, while constricting the veins due to its anti-inflammatory and anti-elastase activity.